Holy. It's so hot. We do things differently here. I'm about to take the iPad Pro to the sky. Okay, what if I told you that in this video, I'm going to be showing you why the iPad Pro is really useful when I travel? And what if I told you that we're going to the Maldives and Dubai thanks to Logitech? You might call me crazy, but that's what we're doing today. Stick along, it's going to be an incredible video. Okay, so most people bring a Mac on their trip, and I totally disagree on bringing a Mac. The iPad has everything that you need and more. Like, an iPad has a tablet when you need it and a laptop when you need it. That's why it's so awesome.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
Guys, check out this airport. It's so crazy.
I'll miss you if you go.
Just got some cash and it feels like Monopoly money. You want some? We are currently in Burj Khalifa, in the tallest building in the entire world, and we are going out. Alright guys, we have arrived at the hotel and I cannot wait to see what this is all about because, oh my gosh. Holy.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you.
Now we are looking for our room,
And yeah.
and this is crazy. Okay. Are you ready? I am not ready.
Jenny, you do it.
Here, sorry.
That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want.
Wow.
The views are crazy.
Oh, you're the only one for me.
The next day.
Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me.
Okay, so I'm currently multitasking on the iPad. I've got my notes on the right with all of my Dubai plans, and then on the left, I've got my boogie riding experience, which yes, today we're going boogie riding, which is super exciting. This is the way.
The next day.
Today is Waterpark time, and it's so hot, so I'm so ready for Waterpark time. It is so hot. Dalia, ¿qué opinas? ¿Qué opinas de la calor?
Molta calor.
Molta calor.
Inaguantable. Jo em moro. De què? Sembla que estigui un forn.
És com si estiguessis... Saps quan estàs fent un ou ferrat que et passa l'oli? Doncs és com estar allà al costat, que dius, hosti, se m'està cremant tot i no saps què apagar. I no hi ha cap botó per apagar això, saps?
Siri, how hot is it? It's 41 degrees.
Caution. Content's hot. You get to give me all you got.
The next day.
So since the Combo Touch is detachable, it is perfect for traveling, so I can simply, detach this, and now I have, my Disney Plus series and movies, so I can watch it, and it's super comfortable.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind.
Okay, so we are officially in paradise.
Well, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Another thing that I love about the Combo Touch is that it's actually a great case as well. So when you're traveling, this thing is actually super useful because you don't have to worry on where you put your case. Since this protects your iPad so much, you don't really have to worry about it. So you can, just drop it wherever the heck you want. Yo, our room here in the Maldives is absolutely crazy. This is the bathroom. It's actually smart. There's a bunch of smart features in the hotel. This is the pool. Absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, an awesome thing that my camera has is that it's actually USB-C. So we actually connected the photos that I took of Chenia. Chenia, how do you like them?
They look great.
They look great. And we're currently using the Combo Touch with the trackpad to actually edit the photos in Lightroom, and they look amazing. I love editing photos with the actual keyboard with an iPad. We do things differently here. I'm about to take the iPad Pro to the sky. I'm about to work with the Logitech Combo Touch in the sky. What other tech channel does this on YouTube? Let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Let's do this.
I can't help but notice you coming down the street.
Okay, when I tell you that you can work from anywhere, from any place, from any height, I truly mean it. Look at where the heck I am.
A wink telling me there's a chance. I've just got eyes for you.
Oh my gosh, what did you think?
Unreal.
Like, I enjoyed it, but there were some times that I was just scared for the iPad and scared for myself. iPad is not waterproof, but I wanted to get the shot, and I wanted to tell you that you can literally work from anywhere with the iPad. There's really not that much to do in the Maldives. It's a pretty relaxing place. There's just scuba diving, which is crazy, and that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go scuba diving, but it's just paradise. It's pure paradise. There's no distractions. There's no face masks.
No shoes.
No shoes.
No watch.
Nothing. I mean, I'm wearing my Apple Watch, but it's just freaking paradise.
Okay, so now we are going to the pool.
Well, we're going diving, but
No.
let me show you the pool.
But first the pool. And it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, we're literally, there's 7 to 8 people in the entire island,
Yeah.
but we never see them, only for dinner. But
So
look at
crazy.
this. This is the main pool, which you can see the ocean, but let me show you the other one. It's even more crazy.
A dream come true.
This is the pool. Okay, so the Logitech Combo Touch has this reading mode, which is extremely comfortable to read in any freaking single position. I'm here in the middle of a palm tree, and I'm here reading a book. Or you can simply grab the keyboard and snap it on the case, and then you can just simply start working. How can this get better? What's that?
Coconut.
We're leaving in 2 days and we're gonna take a PCR test.
I'm ready.
Combo Touch is also perfect for FaceTime. I'm currently FaceTiming my mom right now. It's helping me connect with my family. Mom, you wanna say hi? Okay, So me and Nico, my cousin, we've been playing longest type of game and we've been having a lot of fun. And with the iPad Pro, it's great. You should buy a new case, by the way.
No, mine is better.
How is that case better? Does your case have a trackpad? Does yours have a keyboard? Does your case actually protect? Does your case, is it actually Logitech?
No.
So you should buy it.
No.
We're sadly leaving today. That's why I'm downloading a couple of Netflix shows and movies on my iPad. I don't want to leave this place. I really don't.